Bloomberg Audio Studios. Podcasts, radio, news.
The Stock Movers Podcast, your roundup of companies making moves in the stock market, harnessing the power of Bloomberg data.
Well, let's take a look at some of the stocks on the move today. I'm Paul Sweeney with Isabel Lee, and we're joined by Bloomberg's Christine Aquino. Christine, what are you looking at?
Well, let's take a look at Tesla, Paul, because that's doing pretty well today. They're pairing some of those earlier opening gains. Ticker TSLA just up now over 1%, 1.6% at the moment. That was up earlier, 2%. But basically, this is Elon Musk showing some signs of regret. He was posting on X saying that some of his posts about President Donald Trump last week were regrettable. Remember, they traded barbs, right, over the Republicans' tax bill. Elon Musk criticized that, and of course, President Trump was not happy about that. And so Dan Ives from Wedbush weighing in, calling it an important step. And given that the timing of the argument was not ideal because Tesla is about to launch its robotaxi in Austin. So seeing a bit of recovery in those shares there today.
What about Lockheed Martin? Shares are sliding. Why is that?
Yeah, exactly, Isabel. We're seeing those losses extending actually now down more than 5%. So that's Lockheed Martin, ticker LMT. And that is because the Air Force cut its request for signature F-35s in half. It's now down to a request for 24 planes from a forecast of 48 last year. And remember, Lockheed is the top U.S. defense contractor, and the Air Force is their largest customer. So this, of course, probably reflects the efforts to comply with Defense Secretary Pete Hegseth's plan to reduce projected military spending by over 8% in the next 5 years.
All right, what else are you looking at?
Looking at First Solar today, those shares having a good time. That's up now more than 3%. So First Solar, ticker FSLR. And that is because Jeffries raised its recommendation for the stock. It is now a buy from hold previously. And analysts are pointing to speculation that Congress may support parts of the Inflation Reduction Act, which the company benefits from as a solar tech company. And Bloomberg Intelligence analysts also saying that the Senate will probably moderate some of the House's provisions for the Inflation Reduction Act part of the bill, and they see an 80% chance that a deal gets done before the August recess.
The Stock Movers Podcast from Bloomberg Radio. Check back with us throughout the day for the latest roundup of companies making news on Wall Street. And for the latest market-moving headlines, listen to Bloomberg Radio live. Catch us on YouTube, Bloomberg.com, and on Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with the Bloomberg Business app.